Welcome to Vision Food Truck. Would you like to place a food order or make a table reservation today?
I want to place a food order for delivery.
I can help with that. To proceed with your delivery, please provide your full delivery address, your name, phone number, and email address. What would you like to order?
Well, my name is Gabriel Gramajo. My email is gabeg@ideasfactory.us, and my phone number is 925-285-9516. And my delivery address is 1 Main Street in Fairfield, California.
Thank you, Gabriel. I have your delivery details saved. What would you like to add to your order?
I want a carne asada burrito, 2 orders of chicken quesadilla, 1 order of churros Vision, and 3 orders of agua fresca.
Got it. I've added 1 carne asada burrito, 2 chicken quesadillas, 1 churros Vision, and 3 agua frescas. Is there anything else? Is that all for your order?
Yes, that will do. Thank you.